In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to your Weebly website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, log into your Weebly account and head to your site editor. You'll notice a clean and straightforward navigation bar at the top of the page. Look for the Build tab. It's usually the first option in that navigation bar. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open up your customization toolbox, which is where all the fun begins. Now let's locate the calendar element. Over on the left-hand panel, you'll see a list of all the elements you can use to customize your website. This list is like a treasure map. Just scroll down until you find the element labeled Calendar. It's usually easy to spot, and it makes things wonderfully convenient for showcasing your events. Once you've found the calendar element, it's time to bring it to life on your site. To do this, click and hold on the calendar element and then drag it to where you want it to appear on your web page. You might want to place it right on your home page for easy access, or maybe you have a dedicated events page where it would fit perfectly. Choose the location that makes the most sense for your visitors and your website's overall layout. Now that you've added the calendar element to your page, let's dive into configuring it. Click directly on the calendar that you've just placed, and this will open up a configuration menu. You'll see various options here that allow you to add event details, which can help keep your audience informed about what's coming up. You can input specific event information, like the name of the event, the date, and even the time. If you're organizing multiple events, don't worry, you can add as many as you need. Setting reminders is also a fantastic feature, helping you and your visitors to stay on track. But wait, there's more. If you're using other calendar tools or apps like Google Calendar, you can sync them with your Weebly calendar. This way, your schedule remains automatically updated, saving you the hassle of entering everything manually. Keeping your calendar fresh and current is highly recommended, as it ensures that your visitors are always informed about your upcoming events. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, don't forget to hit the Publish button to save your changes and make the calendar live on your site. It's like opening the doors of your event space and inviting everyone in. And that's pretty much it. Adding a calendar to your Weebly website is simple and can truly enhance the way you share information with your audience. It provides a central hub where your visitors can see what's happening at a glance and encourages them to engage with your events. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot. Happy building